Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today's MCQs are all about world major religions. These MCQs are taken from different books and past papers which are helpful for all types of competitive exams. Let's get started. Presently, the name of leading religions of the world is 5. The correct answer is B, 5. Christianity is based on the teaching of Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. The correct answer is C. Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. The leading religion of the world is Christianity. The correct answer is A. Christianity. In the beginning, Christianity faced stiff opposition from the Romans. The correct answer is B. Romans. Total number of Christians belonging to all sects is about 1928 million. The correct answer is A. 1928 million. Second largest religion of the world is Islam. The correct answer is A. Islam. How many major sects of Islam in the world? The correct answer is D. 2. The total number of Muslims in the world is, the correct answer is C. 1100 million. Dash is not a religion but the complex result of 5,000 years of continuous cultural development. The correct answer is B. Hinduism. Cows, snakes and monkeys are considered sacred in the Hinduism. The correct answer is A. Hinduism. How many Hindus are there in the world? 780 million. The correct answer is C. 780 million. Majority of Hindus live in India. The correct answer is D. India. Dash is non-theistic religion. The correct answer is C. Buddhism. Buddhism was founded by Gautama Buddha in the correct answer is B. 6th century before Common Era. Presently there are about million Buddhists in the world. The correct answer is A. 323 million. Name of the Holy Book of Jews. The correct answer is D. Torah. There are dash main sects of modern Judaism. The correct answer is A. 3. There are 3 main sects of modern Judaism. The total number of Jews in the world is about, the correct answer is B. 18 million. Majority of Jews live in USA and Israel. The correct answer is C. USA and Israel. How many Jews were killed during the Second World War? The correct answer is D. 5.7 million.